Hey guys, thanks for joining me. George here with GB's Garage. Today on my 2012 Jaguar XF, I'm going to be showing you another minor rattle that I had and I have since fixed. I'm holding this on because I've already pulled a piece off. So this surround to the air vent just pulls off. You can see it's just got these tabs over here, and those tabs slot into these clips. There's two that are vertical and two that are horizontal. Now if you see here, this doesn't move. This one used to move. I took it out and I bent it outwards a little bit to put tension on it, and it doesn't move. But if you look at this one, you can hear. So that when you just have the right frequency, when you're driving over the right kind of road, you'll just hear this. So that's all it is. This you just pull off, just go around the corners and pull and pull and pull. The more you do it, the braver you will get. The first time I pulled something off, I was terrified. Now it's getting a little bit easier. So what I'm going to do is pop this out, reset it, and I will be right back. Okay, there you go. I pulled it out. This is what it looks like. So all you want to do is just bend this outwards a little bit. I'm going to use two hands to do that. Okay, done. Now you're going to reseat it. You're just going to push it in. There we go. And there we go. Doesn't move around anymore. So we take the panel. You'll see there's like a locator tab, a pin here that goes in the hole there. And everything else should just line up. There's another one here that goes in this one. Everything else should just line up and be pushed back on. There we go. So if you have a little rattle coming from there, it's nothing too serious. It's just one of those clips needs to be reseated again. Quick fix, probably take you 2 minutes to do. So thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.